Hi, my name is Allison Eddy, and I am here today with PCS Edventures to talk to you about our newest freebie, how to make your own cloud in a jar. Now, this freebie is a great complement to our BrickLAB STEAMventures flight collection, which is a magazine subscription-based collection for kindergarten through third grade students that teaches them all about hot air balloons, planes, helicopters, and rockets. This freebie is super easy to do, and all you'll need is a few materials from around your house and help from an adult. To start off, you'll need a clear glass jar, some warm water, a spoon, matches, a metal tray with ice on top of it, or some plastic hard ice packs. First off, what you'll want to do is take your warm water and pour 2 inches of water into your glass jar. Next, take a spoon and just stir that around. Now, ask an adult for some help, and they will light a match, blow it out, and drop it in the jar. Quickly take your metal tray with ice or your hard plastic ice pack and place it over the top. This is where we start to see the clouds start to form. So as you can see in here, the warm water is evaporating into water vapor and it's rising to the top of the jar. Now, because we have ice on top, the air is getting colder and colder as the water vapor rises higher, so it condensates and turns back into a water droplet, and those water droplets start to stick with the smoke particles from the match. This is what forms our cloud. Now watch as I take off the ice, the clouds start to disappear. This happens because the water droplets start to warm up again and they turn back into water vapor. So this is a super fun and easy freebie to do at your house. All you'll need is these few materials and then some help from an adult. So click the link below to download your own copy of How to Build a Cloud in a Jar, and check out our website, adventures.com, to learn all about BrickLAB STEAMventures flight collection and all of our other amazing STEM products.